according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and they have to go from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Inside this parenthesis, we have 3 minus 3, which equals 0. So 3 minus 3, then times 0. Now we have to do this multiplication. 3 times 0 gives us 0. So 3 minus 0, which equals 3. And this is our final answer to this problem.